Hey guys, um, how are you guys doing? So, in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys on how to find the best theme to use for your Shopify website. So, over the months, over the years, I've always have a lot of inquiries from people telling me that, oh, which theme do you think I can use for my store, or which one have you worked with before, and so many other questions. Some be like, oh, this team I like it, and on the process of just seeing the demo of the team, they decide to go with the team, and on the long run they see that they cannot continue with the team, and so many other things, and they're just like, oh, which team do you think I can use? So it's very simple. The first thing you need to do before you pick the particular team you're going to use for your store is know the functionalities you want to add to your store and know the layout you want your store to have. So it's always advisable the way web design should be in the normal ways. Before you start any website project, you need to have what is called a wireframe. After a wireframe, you have a UI UX design that can be made on Figma or Adobe Photoshop. Then before you start designing on Shopify. So if you do your project like that, I can assure you that you're going to have a very smooth project and you're going to have one of the best projects ever because the kind of modality you're going to follow is going to be quite unique. You know the expected result before starting. Not like you want to design a store and you want to design a website and you're just starting on Shopify without you just knowing how the end result will even look like. Yeah, I hope you understand what I'm saying. So what I want to do today is I want to show you guys, some kind of themes that we have and why how you can pick a nice team, why you shouldn't pick a particular team and all the likes. So most people always question me that why do you think I should buy a premium team and not a free team? And the answer is simple. Anything that is free, you don't expect much from it. That's what I tell people. Anything that is free, you don't expect much from it compared to what is not free that you pay for. So if you check all the free teams, we go through them. Let's get started. Let's start somewhere. Let me open this. So let's check out this team. Let's check more. This is a free team again. Um, this is a free team as well. Okay, let's work with that. Let's work with that. Okay, let's work with this. So this is a particular free team. Now, the first thing I check when I want to work on a store is I check the support. It include support for like what are the things that I can work that this team have to offer me. That if I add a particular app to it, I mean add-ons to it, that this particular team can work with it. Not all teams can work with some particular type of add-ons. There's some add-ons that they cannot work with some particular type of team that if you want to add them to your team, they will tell you that it is not compatible and you just have to uninstall the team. So what I used to do is I used to try my best to check the one that is quite compatible with what I'm doing first. So when I see the one that is quite compatible to what I'm doing first, I'm like, oh, nice, this one is okay. Then I can use that particular team. But if it's not compatible with what I'm doing, definitely I won't be able to use it. So the first thing I used to check is which particular thing is compatible with what I want to do. What are the things that this team include? So I will check it here. Then after checking it, I check the particular features that the team has. So I try to check all the features of the team, compare it with what I'm looking for. Then after checking the features, I check the review of the team. That's very important. What have people said about the review? If anyone has complained about the review, I try to check what is the particular complaint that the person is complaining about. Like what specific is the person saying? What is good for A might not be good for B. But if what the person is complaining about is what I know that I will need in the team and I might later complain about it, then I know this team is a no-brainer for me. So I won't try to use the team. I won't try to even work with the team. So let's check this one again. So can you see? So it gives all features here. So I can check all the features into details, everything about the team, check it. So if you check all these free teams, you see that they don't have much. They don't have much compete. They don't have much. We won't check the premium team, but because I've checked, I'm good at using premium team. So they don't have much. So I can tell you, all this kind of a thing. Now, aside that, another thing I used to check is I try to check the demo store. How does the demo store look like? I try to check it. Apart from checking the demo store, another thing that I can check from a team, apart from the demo store, is I can check the store, other stores using that particular team as well. So let me try to see if this one will give us. Yeah, this one doesn't give us. So some things will give us other stores using that particular thing in order for us to see how the team is doing on other people's store. So this is the demo store. So with this demo store, I can deduce how the team will look like and all this kind of a thing. So this about the free team. Now let's check the premium team. What makes the difference? Now what I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to create something like lay a foundation of what make the difference between a free team and a paid team. For most of us that we think that, oh, which one should I go for? Why can't I just use a free team? Why must I buy a paid team? Now can you see the features included here? You can see a lot of things included here. Let's check another one. You can see a lot of things included here as well. Let's check another one. You can see a lot of things included here compared to the free ones. Now let's check a full features. You can see a lot of features are added here compared to the other one, compared to the free ones rather. A lot of features are added to this paid one compared to the free ones. So the free paid ones has more features that you can make a good use of compared to the paid one or compared to the free ones. The paid one has more features you can make use of compared to the paid ones. Compared to the free ones rather. Sorry about that mistake. Now this being said, how do you pick the best thing that work for what you want to do? Like I said, you pick the ones that has the best features, that contains the best features that you want to have in your store. But how do you now check this? You know, on Shopify there are so many premium themes. So do you now need to start checking each of them one after the other? No, you don't have to do it. So there's a kind of a streamline. So there's collections here. There's kind of a collection here. So you can use this collection to to get the themes that you want. Maybe you want large catalogs, small catalogs, sell in person, sell international, all this. But this is not actually what I do use because I always try to niche down in whatever I'm doing. Now, which one will I advise that I should use? So it's simple. Click on all themes. So when you click on all themes, it takes you right to this particular page where you can see all the things we have on Shopify. So right now we have 177 themes on Shopify. Now I said out of 177 themes we have on Shopify, we have 12 free themes and we have 465 paid themes. So how should you go about it? Search by industry, search by catalog size, search by features. So this is what I do. So I pick it now. Let's do one. Let's say I want a thing that goes with clothing. So it's going to filter it. It gives me things with clothing. So it gives me 140 thing that aligns with my industry. Okay, nice. Now, how many people do I want to have on my team? So let's say I'm creating a very big store and I want to have 200 plus products. Okay, so it's going to streamline it for me, reduce it. Oh, it hasn't reduced it. It hasn't picked it. So after that, oh, I think all of them can work for this. Okay. So after that, I go for the next features. And what the next features? For example, I want it to be age verifier. For example, I want mega menu. I like adding mega menus to store. For example, let me see again. Um, yeah, color swatch. I like adding this to store a lot. It's very important. Yeah, it's very important. Color swatch. What again? So let's just say this, for example. So you can see it has streamlined it to 39 for me. So I have a kind of a beautiful thing like this. See this kind of thing. Enterprise. See this thing. So open. Let's check another one. Yeah, let's check another one. Let's see this. Oh, okay. It's loading. Um, Okay, so this is the enterprise team. So let's view the demo store so we can see it. So we can see the kind of stuff it has. These are the collections. This is kind of an announcement stuff it has. So you can see this particular thing. So that's one of the best way you can pick a thing for your store. So it has color swatch whereby people can see the kind of the colors variation for each product that you have. So so this is one of the ways I pick, or what let me say, the main way, yeah, I pick themes that, and I always pick the best thing for people. I always pick the best thing that almost aligns with people's stuff, that most aligns with people's passion, that always aligns with how they want their store to look like and all the rest. So this is how to pick a team. This is another one. So let's view the demo store. Okay, okay. So we have this as well. So you can see that these teams are very, very nice compared to the free teams that I shared. So most of the time people always buy premium teams and they bought the wrong premium team and they say they could not go along with it. They could not even like the interface, they could not like so many things about the team on the long run. They'll be like, oh, I've wasted money, this is this and that. So this is one of the ways you can get the best team for your store. So if you want to get the best thing for your store, you can go along with this method and you'll get the very, 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 very nice thing for your store. And one thing about Shopify is I don't advise people to pay directly for the thing first. You can use the free trial on Shopify for all premium things you are seeing here. It has a free trial. But what happens in the free trial? In the free trial of anything you are looking at here, you cannot publish your store. The only thing you can do is you can build a store and preview, but it cannot be published. So you can build it and preview. So instead of buying the thing and on the long run, you see that it's not good. Try the free, try go with the free trial first. So on the free trial, when you see that oh you cannot use this thing, then you can opt out and try another one. Instead of buying things that it won't be suitable for you. Or on the long run, you just have to settle for one because you spent money buying it and it does not align with your passion, does not align with your dream, and you could not even like the store, or you are forcing yourself to like the store. If you couldn't like it, there's a probability that your customers, your clients, they might not like it as well. They might not like it. So this is all I have for you in this tutorial. So I think I'll be able to tell you guys how you can get the premium team. So stop wasting money and you can now get the best thing that aligns with what you want to do. Remember, getting the best thing on your store is one of the best thing you can do, and it can bring you a step or lot of step closer to achieving your success in the e-commerce industry. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.